new video for you guys, so don't miss it. And remember not to watch this video while you're eating. Let's laugh and laugh together with Happy Pew Pew. Hey, how can you be here? Oh! You're so fat. This cannot hold you. It looks like he's playing with his tail. What? He's so small here. And you're so big. I want to go home. Let's shopping, ma'am. I want pate. I want new dress. I want toy. Ooh. Oh. You really enjoyed that show. When your brother doesn't get the hint. Let's play. Brother, let's play. Hey, you didn't hear me? Oh. What happened to the door? Who can do that? Oh my god. Is that your?
Oh,
That's so
there you are.
impossible. Surprise! Okay, wait. No plan. Hey, please, bring me to there, okay? Carefully. I'm a beautiful dog, so you must be lightly. He's scared about that. It's just a toy. Oh my gosh. What? How can you do that? Oh my god, look at
understand.
Look at you. You're so
Did you do
dirty.
this? You have someone on you too.
What is that? Oh my god. How can you jump in that? That's so... Oh no, it's blew my mind. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I want to have that car too. So they can like kindergarten to my baby. Ouch. Oops, I don't see the treat. How still do I have that sound? I don't know if it's happy or not. Again, Husky. Hey, how can you jump in here? Okay, let's get out. You're so big. Okay, I'll help you. Oh, so cute. Oh my god. I want one. Yeah, long legs, but it's so slippery there. You can walk in the stair. Oh. You can go another way, you know? Another place. Yeah. I don't let you to do that, okay? Let's go with my mama. Oh. How cute it is. That's solid chicken. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Ah, there you are.